Salam, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. I am making chicken Alfredo fettuccine. Let's see how I make it. Add 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil in the boiling water. Cook 3/4 lbs fettuccine pasta or any pasta until al dente or follow the package instructions. Then drain and set aside. Meanwhile, slice 1.5 lb chicken into strips. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon chicken bullion powder, 1 teaspoon red pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon allspice. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1.5 tablespoon butter over medium-high heat. Fry the chicken until lightly golden and cook through about 6 minutes. Remove chicken from the pan and cover. In the same pan, over medium-high heat, 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 small chopped onion and 4 minced fresh garlic cloves. Saute 5 minutes until soft. Stir constantly. Do not allow garlic and onion to brown. Add 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 2.5 cups whole milk. If you prefer a thicker, creamier sauce, you can use 3.5 cups heavy whipping cream instead. 1 chicken bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, half cup Parmesan shredded cheese, 1/4 teaspoon dry parsley leaves. Simmer over medium-high heat 8 to 10 minutes or until beginning to thicken. Add cooked pasta. Add chicken. Stir to combine. Heat another minute until warm through, then turn off the heat. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.